Morning everyone. Today we're going to do our own clock. So we have here two paper that we have the hours and the minutes. We have to cut around the hours. So we're going to cut around to have a round clock, and we're going to cut the another paper and with the minutes. And this is going to help us to recognize the clock because we have hours. So the paper in front of our clock represents the big numbers that we see on the clock represents the hour, and the small number that we see on the clock, like this one, that goes by 5, so goes 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60 represent the minutes. So we're going to cut around the minutes and we're going to construct our clock for today. So let's see, we have the hour and the minutes. And we're going to put here, and then we're going to cut our arrows to represent our clock. So I said we have the minutes here and we have the hours here. Okay, so did you see this line? So we have to cut to separate the hours. In this case, we can see, if we flip the page, if we flip the paper, we can see the minutes that is underneath the hour. You will see, guys, how easy it is then to learn our clock. So we have our clock here with our now hours and minutes. And the paper that we got with hours, we're gonna glue on top of the minutes. And we cut every hour like this. We cut because we want to look underneath the hours. So let's glue the paper with the hour and top with the paper of the minutes. Okay, and we have our clock. So if we have to look underneath 12, it's going to be 0, 0. If we have to look underneath 5, underneath 10, it's going to be 50. So every piece of paper, every hour has underneath, has the minutes, which is easy for us to see what time is it. Today we're going to do just the clock. And another video we're going to exercise to see if we know the hour in minutes using this clock. So today we just construct the clock, and then we're going to work on the clock with our handmade clock. You're gonna save it for every exercise that you need for your clock at school, for your exercise with clock at school or at home. So we cut the arrow first that we have with hour and minute. And we're gonna use a butterfly pin to put it inside on the paper. And in this case, we can do the hour. We can see the hour and minute. It's gonna be a little bit hard, but we can do it. Okay, and just put in the middle, and we can move the arrows. We can move around the arrows. So we can put the butterfly pin and move it. There you go. This is our clock with minutes and hours, so the arrow can move and we can show our minutes and our hours and our handmade clock.